Okay, so welcome to n8n LaunchPad. Today is in this video, we will learn how to install n8n on using Coolify, and we are going to purchase a VPS and also install the Coolify and then also getting started with n8n. So first we need to purchase a VPS. For VPS, I am in the hostinger, and you can see the KVM1, KVM2, and for this tutorial I'm going to purchase the KVM1 plan. And so hit choose plan, and it will gonna take you to the checkout page. And after you came to the checkout page, uh, you need to select an operating system. Okay, so here you can select the periods. So I'm going to leave it as it is. For OS, I'm going to choose the Debian 12. Okay, perfect. Now you just need to continue and complete the payment. And once you complete the payment, everything is managed by the hostinger and you will get your VPS. So let me complete my payment. I will see you after this. Okay, so I have completed the payment and purchased this one. And we are now going to log in into this VPS. So copy this command and open your terminal by on Windows, type command prompt and hit enter. Your command prompt will be open. Paste that command and hit enter and hit yes and enter the password which you have entered on the time of setting up the VPS. Okay, so uh, welcome, and our we have successfully connected our VPS, and now we are going to install the Coolify. So to install the Coolify, we need to go to the Coolify docs. So Coolify docs. Don't worry, I will leave this in the description. Copy this and come here and just paste and hit enter. Now this will gonna take some time, and after 2 to 3 minutes it will gonna completely configure our server, and I will see you after it completed. And congratulations, we have successfully installed Coolify on our VPS. So we just need to click this URL and uh, okay, I need to press and hold control button and hit this, and voila, our Coolify dashboard has opened. So we need to enter our name, okay, and your email. In my case it will be gonna this, and the password, okay, okay, and the password again, voila, and hit create account. Now uh, you need to click let's go this machine, and voila, create my first project and deploy your first project. Okay, now close it, close it. Okay, okay, here we are on our Coolify. Now you can see your projects. You can add resource and type n8n here and open this. Now you need to add your custom domain. I'm gonna select this. Okay, dot. Okay, okay. So HTTPS and hit save. And once you save, you will gonna receive this notification. And I will name this as n8n and hit save. Now just deploy. Okay, it is deploying our n8n. I will see you after it deploys. Till then, we can do one thing, add our DNS record of so that we can access our n8n. So I am going to my domain registrar. Okay. Now we need to copy our server IP. Okay. I have copied my server IP address, and now I need to log in my domains. Okay, now go to your DNS management and change and add record. Type will be A and the name will gonna be n8n and the IP will be this, and hit save. Okay, so voila, we have successfully point our domain to the IP address of our hostinger VPS. Now, let us see if our Coolify has started or not. Okay, let us do one thing. We can add a wildcard so that we don't need to add our DNS records frequently. Okay, this is a wildcard DNS, and here, okay, I forgot one thing, that we need n8n latest version. So here type latest and click on save and just restart. And after you hit restart, it will gonna pull the latest image. And till then we will gonna do one thing. Go to settings. Okay, now in here enter our, because we are not going to access IP address all the time because it is completely unsecure, and later we will gonna add firewall so that our 8000 port will gonna be blocked permanently. So here I need to enter like admin dot and my domain, oh sorry, voila, and name this as Coolify. Okay, so hit save and let us test it. I will enter as, okay, let me copy this one and open it here. Voila, now we can just log in into it. Okay, so let us see if our services are running or not. Okay, our n8n is running perfectly. So let us open it. Let me close this one. And voila, now we are successfully configured our n8n. Now let me create a password for it. Okay, now hit next, and this will gonna show the simple traditional form of n8n. And now you need to just get started, and if you want, you can get a free license key. Okay, now you can just build your workflows, and as you can see, there is no such updates. And when the update will become, you just needed to go here and pull the latest image and restart. In this way you can just simply update your n8n. Otherwise, I'm gonna make a new video for that. Comment down below and I will see you there. But did you see that headaches that we need to configure the VPS, do some SSH things, and here we need to monitor our n8n, and if something breaks, that is our responsibility, not the hostinger responsibility, because it is completely unmanaged VPS. Okay, so I have something better. uh, let's go to n8n Launchpad, where you can get a similar setup of this with a fraction of cost, and also with no renewal hikes. And plus, everything is pre-configured for yourself. As you can see, no VPS, no Docker, auto updates, and isolated content. Plus, you can get a 10% extra off if you use coupon this one. Just copy it and use it in the checkout page. And no renewal hikes, unlike Hostinger charges $11, okay, on the renewal time. But we do not charge any renewal. Plus, uh, we have free migrations from your older n8n instance and a free domain connection. But here you can't connect your domain, but you need to like set up all the things, and automatic updates and 24-hour into 7 premium support if anything breaks. So let's get started into it. And here you just need to enter your coupon code, which we have just copied, and hit apply, and voila, you see, you can get a 10% discount, and if you are purchasing on the USD, you get 10% cashback. Okay, now you need to just sign in, continue with Google. Okay, and after you complete the sign in, you need to complete your subscription. Okay, and once you complete your subscription, let us first the subscription page open. Here you need to enter your credit card information, and once you completed the payment, you will gonna uh, and let me complete the payment. Okay, okay, I have successfully purchased from here. And once you purchased, you will gonna receive an email. Okay, let me open that email first. As you can see, we have received the email. Now click open my n8n instance, and it will, and voila, you have just opened the n8n. Now complete the setup just like we did in the Hostinger VPS, and enter your passwords. And once you enter your password, you will gonna same do the configurations like completing the onboarding form, and then get your license keys, and voila, pretty much similar, right? So using n8n Launchpad, you don't need to do anything. Everything is managed by us, and you just need to focus on the workflows, not on the VPS. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. Hit the subscribe button, and also like this video and share to your friends who need this help.